Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to fix the waistband on my jeans. So the first thing that you need to do is sew a button on the inside of the front side of the jeans at the spot that I'm pointing at. And when I sew the button onto the jeans, I use a similar color thread as the jeans so it's not noticeable from the outside. So this is how it should look after you sew both buttons on, and as you can see, nothing looks different from the outside of the jeans. Then you're going to need a seam ripper to cut 2 slits next to the buttons at the spot that I'm pointing at. The slits need to be big enough so that the elastic can go through, but also make sure that you're only cutting the slit through the inside layer of the jeans and not through the entire jean, so it shouldn't be noticeable through the front. Do this on both sides of the button. Then you need to create some buttonholes in your elastic with the seam ripper, or you can buy elastic that has pre-made buttonholes. Then attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic so it makes it easier to push the elastic throughout the waistband. Once you finish pushing the elastic throughout the waistband, it should look like this, and all you have to do is just put the button through the buttonholes and that's it. This is super simple and honestly doesn't take that long, so this is how it ended up turning out, and thank you guys for watching.